In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a PayPal account without a credit card in 2021. Alright, so you want to go to the PayPal website, click on sign up in the top right corner, and then you'll then end up on this page right here where you can set up your profile. So what you can do is come up with your email address, your first name, last name, and then create a password. So I'm going to do that right now, and then I'll show you the next step. Once you've done that, you want to add your address and you want to use the one that's on your bills. So you want to make sure to set this up correctly and then click on agree and create account, which I'll show you right now. And there we go, you are in. So right now you've created your account, but you haven't linked a bank account or a credit card yet. But this video is about how you can do it without a credit card. So what I recommend doing is clicking right here on add a bank account to use later, so that you can add a bank account, right? So for this, you don't need a credit card, you just need a bank account. However, if you also don't want to link that one, then what I recommend doing is just getting rid of this entire URL that comes after paypal.com. And then if you go to PayPal pretty much, you'll see that you're signed into your dashboard and you do have an account. As you guys can see, I now have an account. However, you can receive money, but because there's nothing verified and nothing linked to your account, it will probably get blocked. So what I recommend doing is simply linking a bank account instead of a credit card, and you'll then have an account. So click right there and then pretty much link it, and then you're good to go. So you can then receive money without having a credit card, if that makes sense. So yeah, if this simple video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you next time.